We know about the different weather condition, how rainfall, how much rainfall, is there, what language people use, how much the weather, how much it cold or hot, where the land and water bodies are there. By using maps, we know about the different weather conditions of that place. We know about how much the rainfall often there, what language people use, or how much the weather cold or hot, where the land is located or where the water bodies are located. Everything we should know by using maps. By this, many of the geographers use maps. For this purpose, many of the geographers use using maps. By using maps, we know about the soil type, population, language spoken by the people, crops grown, where the market is located, where the schools are located, everything we know about using the map. By this reason, a map maker may also leave out map makers leave about some features. As photograph shows, in photograph we see some features, but we cannot see all the features in a map. In this reason, some map makers leave means about some features as photograph shows. But when we compare the maps and photographs, we know everything in detail. We using maps are better than photograph. In this reason, many of the geographers make different types of maps. You will now see some of the maps made in early times. In early times, many maps are designed by many geographers. Who is geographer? Geographer means who know about geography and who studied about geography. They are called geographers. In a map, we know everything about the weather, everything. So that's why we use maps. For this reason, in early times, before 2600 years ago, maps are designed by some people. So we know about the early years, how the map makers made that all maps and how they are. Earlier times, before 4000 years ago, many maps are designed. So the topic maps down the ages. In earlier, many types of maps are designed. Maps have a long history behind them. Before going to the maps have a long history. How they are made. Some of the earliest surviving maps were made by Sumerians. First, the maps were designed by Sumerians. Who designed the first maps? Sumerians. Present. These Sumerians lived in present Iraq. Present the place is Iraq. The Iraq people called Sumerians. Before 4000 years ago, before 4000 years ago, they prepared maps. Why they prepared maps in earlier years? What is the need? Yes, there is one need, because in earlier people have many lands. In earlier people have many lands. So they want to record. They want to record their lands in list. That's why they need to prepare. There is a need to prepare maps. That's why they prepared maps in 4000 years ago. Who prepared the maps? Sumerian. Where did the Sumerian live? Present in Iraq area. These people are lived in earlier years. For making maps, Sumerians use clay tablets. Means matti falakal. Sumerians use clay tablets to make maps in 4000 years ago. Why do they need to prepare maps? Because in earlier years the temples owns a very large land tracts. That's why they want to record the income and the land, how much the temple had. That's why they prepared maps on clay tablets. So look at the Sumerian. Okay, in this picture you observed this is Sumerian clay tablets. This is the Sumerian's map. Do you find anything in this picture? We cannot understand, but the Sumerians understand about the land tracts of the temples owned. That's why they try to keep records of the lands with the help of using these types of maps. So this is the first map prepared by the Sumerians. Okay. Next, another map makers, Babylonians. Who are they? Babylonians. Babylonians also made map by using clay tablets. They also using clay tablet about 2600 years ago. They also made maps. After Sumerians, Babylonians also made maps. Babylonians also the people present living in Iraq. In Iraq country, present people live in. They also belonging to the Iraq. They prepared maps in 2600 years ago. They also used to make map. They use clay tablets. They feel they prepare world map. They prepare world map. The Babylonians feel the earth is in circle shape. They feel the earth is in circle shape. So look at this, the rough diagram of the Babylonians map. This is a clay tablet. In this way, they prepared map. They feel the earth is in round or circle shape. So look at the picture. Okay, look at this picture. This is Babylonians clay tablet map. Babylonians prepared this map in 2600 years ago. They imagined the world as a round disc. Babylonians feel the world is in like a disc. The inner circle had all the cities. Here observe this circle. Here observe, this is the circle. The inner circle contains all the cities, and here we are observing small circles. These circles represent villages, rivers, marshes and mountains. They knew about the city of Babylonian was in the middle. The Babylonians feel the city of Babylonians is in the middle. They feel their city is in middle. The big circle shows the all other countries. The small circle shows the villages, rivers and etc. So they feel the inner circle was bitter river. What is this? Babylonians feel there is a small inner circle. There is located bitter river or salt water oceans, in which there were 7 triangular islands. In which there is a 7 islands. What is the shape of that islands? They feel that is triangular shape. This is about the Babylonians map. So in this Babylonians map, they feel earth in shape. Earth shape. They feel earth shape is in disc shape. They feel the earth shape is disc. In the inner part of the map, we observe the circles. These are the circles. The Babylonians feel there is a bitter river present in the middle, and there is a 7 triangular shapes. 7 triangular shapes. And salt on the world. They feel like this. This is about the Babylonians map. So, thank you.